Very good morning, students. In chapter 4, today we will discuss about sex-linked inheritance. Sex-linked inheritance. The inheritance of character is controlled by the gene. So those genes are located only on sex chromosome. So that is called sex-linked inheritance. Genes that are present on sex chromosomes are called sex-linked genes. Genes are present on X chromosome are called X-linked genes. Genes that are present on only Y chromosome are called Y-linked genes or Hollandic genes. Sex-linked inherited diseases are more common in males because they are hemizygous. There are some examples of X-linked diseases: color blindness or daltonism, hemophilia, and Duchenne's muscular dystrophy. And Y-linked disease. Example, hypertrichosis. Here there are some examples of X-linked inheritance. The first, hemophilia. It is also called biliary disease. It is a X-linked recessive disease. It is first reported by John Cotto in 1803. Actually, the hemophilic person will not have normal clotting substance, that is called thromboplastin. So that minor injuries cause continuous bleeding, the person finally lead to death. It is due to the failure of blood clotting factor. Here, female is the carrier of the disease. Hemophilia follows criss-cross patterns of inheritance. Criss-cross patterns of inheritance means transmission of a gene from mother to son or father to daughter. Next, X-linked disease, color blindness. It is also one of the X-linked disease. The affected person unable to produce sensitive cone cells. Cone cells is responsible for the colored vision. These persons are unable to distinguish color red and green. Next, inheritance of Y-linked genes. Example, hypertrichosis. The affected person will have excessive hair growth on pinna. Here, the gene transfer from father to son. Here, the female will not affected because genes located on Y chromosome only. Karyotyping is a technique. In this, a complete set of chromosomes are separated from a cell and arranged in a pairs is called as karyotyping. Application of karyotyping. The first, it is used in gender identification. Then again, it is used to detect chromosome aberrations and identify the abnormalities of chromosomes and predict evolutionary relationships between species. And finally, detect genetic disease in human. Another topic is pedigree analysis. Pedigree means family tree. It is drawn by using some genetic symbols to show inheritance pathway for phenotypic characters. Pedigree analysis generally used for the study of characters in a given family line for several past generations. Let us see about genetic disorder. Disorder means disease or syndrome. It can be classified into two types. The first one is Mendelian disorder. The second one is chromosomal disorder. Mendelian disorder means alteration or mutation of in the gene only. Chromosomal disorder means error in the number of or structure of chromosome. The first example of Mendelian disorder is thalassemia. Thalassemia is an autosomal recessive disorder. It is caused by gene mutation. The effect of thalassemia is excessive destruction of RBC due to an abnormal hemoglobin molecule. Normally, hemoglobin molecules are made up of 4 polypeptide chains, 2 alpha and 2 beta globin chains. Thalassemia is classified into alpha and beta thalassemia based on which chain of hemoglobin molecules are affected. Alpha thalassemia is caused by deletion or mutation of genes that are located in chromosome number 16. In beta thalassemia, beta globin chain is affected. The gene is located on chromosome number 11. beta thalassemia, also called as Cooley's anemia. Next, another Mendelian disorder, phenylketonuria. It is caused due to autosomal recessive genes. Gene PAH is responsible for hepatic enzyme that is located on chromosome 12. Actually, it is an inborn errors of metabolism. Due to mutation of gene PAH, phenylalanine is not converted into tyrosine. Affected individuals shows mentally retarded and light pigmentation, skin and hair. Albinism. It is also an autosomal recessive gene. Melanin pigment is responsible for skin color. The affected person will not have tyrosinase enzyme. This enzyme is responsible for conversion of high hydroxy phenylalanine into melanin. So there is no enzyme, so the person is unable to produce melanin pigment. Next, another disorder is Huntington's chorea. It is an autosomal dominant lethal gene. The gene is located in chromosome 4. Symptoms will be involuntary jerking of the body, then progressive degeneration of nervous system. Affected person dies at the age of 35 to 40. Let us discuss another topic, chromosomal abnormalities. It can be classified into two types, autosomal abnormalities and allosomal abnormalities. The gain or loss of chromosome at the time of cell division is called as aneuploidy. First, autosomal aneuploidy. Example, Down syndrome. Trisomic condition of chromosome 21 results in Down syndrome. The symptoms are mental retardation, defective development of CNS, malformed ears and flattened nose, and protruded tongue. Next, another syndrome, Patter's syndrome. It is also one of the autosomal aneuploidy. It results in the chromosome number 13 will be trisomic condition. Symptoms are cleft palate, malformed brain, profound mental deficiency, etc. Next, let us discuss allosomal abnormalities in human beings. The first syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome. Here, there are 47 chromosomes the person will have. They are considered as male, but the person is having one extra X chromosome. Their symptoms will be sterility, tall, obese, high-pitched voice, and feeble breast. Then another allosomal abnormalities, example, Turner syndrome. They have 44 autosomes, only one X chromosomes. So they are generally females, but they are sterile in nature, but the symptoms are low stature, webbed neck, underdeveloped breast, etc.